Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to set saving goals in the Wally app. If you're tired of letting your money slip away without a plan, Wally is your new best friend. It's a fantastic budgeting tool that helps you track expenses and build your savings effortlessly. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new car, or just an emergency fund, this guide will get you started in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Wally app downloaded on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it's free to get started. Once you're in, open the app and log in to your account. If you're new, sign up quickly. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Now, let's jump into the fun part. Tap on the Goals tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your financial dreams come alive. Hit the Add New Goal button, and you'll be prompted to give your goal a name. Be creative. Call it Beach Trip 2024 Feet or Emergency Fund Boost to keep yourself motivated. Next, enter the target amount you want to save. Wally makes it easy by letting you set a specific dollar figure, like $500 or $2,000. Then, add a deadline to create some urgency. Pick a date that feels achievable but pushes you a bit. Wally will even calculate how much you need to save each month to hit that goal, which is a game changer for staying on track. Don't forget to categorize your goal if the app offers that option, like linking it to your income sources or expenses. Once everything's set, hit save, and voila! Your goal is now live. Wally will show you progress bars and notifications to keep you accountable. It's like having a personal cheerleader in your pocket. A quick tip: start small if you're new to this. Set realistic goals to avoid burnout and review your progress weekly. Remember, the key to successful saving is consistency, so pair this with tracking your daily spends in Wally for the best results. There you have it, folks. Setting saving goals in Wally is simple, effective, and can totally transform your financial habits. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below on your own saving goals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.